You can absolutely continue to invest in the market and continue to get that growth. And if you want to stay in risky assets, you can, because annuities Hey there, I'm John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Behind me is the Carson River. You probably can't see it, but I'm in Markleeville, California, and I wanted to talk to you about someone that I've been meeting with, and we're setting up quite a few annuity contracts for him. So he's looking at some guaranteed growth, just to take advantage of some high rates. So we're looking at some MYGA contracts, and then he also wants some income. And there's certain contracts that are better for immediate income, and then there's other ones that are even better for deferred income. And so we actually placed him into 5 annuity contracts. So 2 of them are MYGAs, and they're 6-year contracts. They're paying him over 5%. He's gonna be able to strip off the interest and be able to, he just wants to use that for play money and to be able to protect his principal as well. If you're looking for some flexibility and you just want a place to put your funds, but you also want to be able to have the ability to strip away the interest, maybe even take up to the 10% withdrawals, then MYGA contracts, they're called multi-year guaranteed annuities that you can, set up for anywhere between 2 to 10 years, typically, and lock in a high interest rate. It's a great strategy, especially when you got funds that can be doing something better than just sitting in the bank. And then what we did is we set up 3 more contracts, but these ones are just for highest income for his retirement. And so the first one we did is it was really the best income for immediate, but also it was pretty competitive for deferred. And he wasn't sure when he was going to activate the income, but this just gives him the freedom with this first contract to activate income immediately if he wants to. The other company is National Western Life. And we are setting that up for the best deferred growth, because if he takes income even 12 months from now, it's the highest income. In fact, it's the highest income for the next 6 or 7 years. So it's perfect for him because he's going to activate income on these 2 contracts sometime in the next 6 years. But if he decides to wait even longer than that, he's still going to have growth for that. So that's what's so nice about annuity contracts. You can set them up for a number of reasons. You might just have a need to have growth, something better than a CD, something better than a bank account's giving you, and you can get those through multi-year guaranteed annuity contracts, known as MYGAs. And then, of course, you can set up annuity contracts that will give you guaranteed lifetime income, and that is really what gives you your peace of mind, in my opinion, because you got this pension income that's coming in, and so that while you continue to work, while you continue to save, invest in other things, in the back of your mind that you have these guaranteed contracts set aside for your retirement. So it's really, really effective. It took us a couple hours to submit these applications. It does take a while because I want to make sure it's done right. You have to make sure whenever you submit an annuity contract, you have to make sure whether it's non-qualified, whether it's inherited funds, whether it is qualified funds, you have to make sure that annuity provider accepts those funds, and you also have to make sure that it is submitted so that hopefully there's no extra paperwork you have to do later on. So that when we submit it and we lock in those rates, it also makes it a very, very smooth process from application to issue of the contract, which usually takes 3 to 4 weeks, just depending on how long it actually takes your surrendering company or wherever the money is coming from to actually go to the annuity provider. Anyways, I wanted to share that with you because some of you might be thinking, do I need more than one annuity contract? Should I get more than one annuity contract? And the answer is, of course, it depends on your unique needs. Some of us only need 1 or 2 contracts. Some of us need 5 or 6. I've got a client that has like 8. Okay, so it depends on what your needs are and what you're looking for individually. Okay, Shaquille O'Neal, he bought annuities every year for like 10 years. He has tons of them. Okay, he bought it for himself. He bought it for his family. The Babe Ruth did the same thing. So it just depends on what your needs are. You can absolutely continue to invest in the market and continue to get that growth. And if you want to stay in risky assets, you can. I really, really feel that annuity contracts make us better investors because we have that burden, that load, that stress pulled off of us, because now we know we have certainty. okay? And so when we have that certainty, we know that we can mess around, right? We can invest in other things, maybe that we normally would not, but it allows us the freedom to do that and the freedom to make mistakes, and at the same time, still protect ourselves. So anyways, if you would like to book a call, there's a link below this video, as in all of my videos. It goes straight to my calendar, okay? I'm not gonna try to sell you anything, but I will show you everything that is available. And of course, if it makes sense, if it's something that can help you, then I'd love to sell it to you. But if not, no big deal as well. Hope you found value. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment, okay? I will answer all of your questions if you comment below. Anyways, I really appreciate you watching. Thanks again for coming out in this beautiful, beautiful country. I love Markleeville. Markleeville is just gorgeous. And of course, you can see the fall colors are beautiful. I'm actually making this video when it's 45 degrees, so it's not that warm. It's gonna get cold next week. In fact, we're expecting snow. We got some snow way up in the mountains up there. You probably can't see it, but we got some snow. And so looking forward to that. Maybe I'll make some videos in the snow. We'll see. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.